Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a new feature we have in Capcut PC. It's very useful if your goal or you're trying to achieve better facial results, like you're trying to make your facial look better, or just want to make some changes to your face. This feature is for you. This tutorial is for you. So let's jump right into the video. Just import your video. I tried this to apply to our video. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. I mean, it works, but only for frame, only for image, not for video. But yeah, just to let you know, I'm sorry, but yeah, it doesn't work for videos. Obviously, that'd be better, or that'd be more amazing, I guess. Yeah, just select your video, go to enhance here, enhance, and here we have face. We can enable this face, and we can smoothness, brightness, white teeth, and as you can see now it's more white, but also have brightness, smooth, but I don't really use this. What I like this is this one, facial beauty. Can increase the size of our mouth. This is, as you can see, this is selected for mouth. Oops. We actually can change this nose, slim, bright, broad, eyes, big eyes, small eyes, distance, corner, manual, makeup, and also have for body here, enable body, change for legs, for waist, for head, for smooth, for bright. Yeah, so if that's what you're looking for, that's the feature you want. I hope this video helped you, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.